The Batch Slip Sheet feature automatically inserts new pages or replaces current pages with new revisions for a group of documents. It provides several auto-matching options to make pairing up pages to be slip-sheeted simpler. Batch Slip Sheet is a Review Extreme only feature. Go to Batch Slip Sheet. From here, add your current files from the Add menu. Under the Revised section, add your updated files. Choose how the files should be matched from the drop-down menu or click Advanced for customized options. What you choose will depend on how your files are set up, but file name, page index is a good place to start. If you work with a set of files regularly, you can save the collection as a batch and load it in here as well. Click Match Pages. The Batch Slip Sheet summary appears, identifying pages that it was able to match and any unmatched sheets. Unmatched files will be ignored. To remove a file, select it and click Remove. From the Options section, you can replace current pages with the revised pages or insert them before current pages. You also have the option to copy the markups to the revised pages, flatten any markups before they're copied, or flatten markups after they're copied. Click OK once you're finished. From the Summary box, notice the results and the options to generate a report. Then, click OK to finish.